You know, the Mortgage Collaborative continues to be a tremendous success story. We just reached 200 lender members.
Here to celebrate our 200th member. Quite an accomplishment.
You know, when we started this organization 7 years ago, we really had this 200th number in mind as a big benchmark, big milestone that we would want to hit.
200 members. Wow. I remember starting 4 years ago when we only had 40 members, thinking it would take a decade to get to this level.
A little over 5 years ago when I came on board, I think we had 6 members, so to get to 200, clearly very exciting milestone for us.
Kudos to everybody in the network. This is such an awesome achievement.
I want to welcome Novus Home Mortgage, Eric and the rest of the team. Thank you for joining us and welcome to the TMC family.
Welcome to the TMC family, Novus Home Mortgage, and happy 200, TMC.
We couldn't have got there without the lender members that started with us 7 years ago. We just celebrated our 7th anniversary, and here we are the same year celebrating 200 lender members.
I want to thank our earliest members, those that really took the leap of faith on us in the early days. We're still trying to figure it out. And not only that, but their impact on how we've grown and developed the organization on their behalf.
Thank you to those lender members. Thank you to our preferred partners. And of course, thank you to the wonderful staff. All together, we create a tremendous culture that makes us just the best cooperative in the mortgage business.
It's just been so incredibly rewarding these last 5+ years to see individuals in the same industry, that are competing against each other on some level, that are invested in each other's success, that are so willing to let their guard down and talk about what's working, what's not working, and the impact of that on the companies that have joined the collaboratives.
Hey everyone, Jason Marielo here, Mortgage Collaborative Lender Chairman. I'm also the first member of the organization, and I'm here to personally welcome our 200th member, Novus Home Mortgage. I happen to personally know Eric Egenhofer and his team, and what a great team, what great leadership. We're lucky to have you, and we're happy to have you. Welcome to the Mortgage Collaborative.
You're going to love this organization. You're going to love all the people in it. We can't wait to be able to welcome you in person very, very soon. But this is quite a celebration. Thanks for making it possible for us.
Before I go, I wanted to share a message from our chairman, John Robbins. Reaching 200 lender members is a huge achievement for the Mortgage Collaborative, a milestone that we had only dreamed about when we created the company to serve the mortgage lending community. It is a testimony to our value proposition and to the wonderful, hardworking staff that has made this possible. While achieving new goals will continue, we will never forget our commitment to you, our lender members, helping you become more efficient and profitable.
TMC 200!
TMC 200!
From our family to yours, a toast to 200 members. Cheers.
Spaghetti, did you hear? We just hit 200 lender members! Yay! Yay!
Hey TMC family, I wanted to celebrate with you. We've hit 200 lender members. I really wanted some champagne for this, but all I've got is some really good Kentucky bourbon.
Hey David, you want some champagne? I got some champagne.
Hey Chris, I'd love some. Well, cheers, TMC members.